What's up and welcome to shop vlog number 11. Starting out, we've got this awesome 4Runner that we've been working with Chris on for quite some time now. It's gone through multiple stages. It used to have a rough country 2-inch kit on here, some black Rhino wheels and BFG tires. Originally it had level 8 wheels on it. We'll see if we can maybe find some photos of it. I'm sure we've got them somewhere. But today we went a little bit higher, did a 3-inch Ready Lift SST kit on this thing. We did some Stealth Custom Series BR6 wheels. These things are awesome. We are not a dealer yet for these guys, so it was a little tough to get these, and we waited quite some time for them. But I think they are the perfect fit for this. It's a different offset than what we would normally do, but this is the exact look that he wanted, and I think it looks absolutely killer with this wide kind of stance to it. It's got the 33 1250 17s and the Nitto Ridge grapplers on here, and then to top everything off, we did the rough country ditch mount brackets on here with their pod lights. So really kind of brings everything together for this, makes this thing just look absolutely awesome for the daily driver. In the shop today, we've got a 06 Silverado half-ton, getting a lift kit, wheels and tires, and a full front end rebuild. As you can see from all the parts on here, we got upper control arms, lower control arms, tie rods, inner and outer. We've got CV axles, we've got wheel hubs, idler and pitman arm, a little bit of everything going on this. So Don's getting it up on the lift right now, and we're gonna get started. All right, as you can see, the Chevy is all done, out of the shop, ready to go. This thing, as you saw, got a rough country 4-inch kit on here. It got the BFG KO2 tires, the Fuel Rush in the all black, which is a new wheel, and pretty slick looking if you ask me. So pretty simple build, but we did do the entire front end rebuild on there. So this thing drives and rides just like it was new. All right, today in the shop, we've got a brand new JL Wrangler. This one's getting all the works. It's got a lift, wheels, tires, front and rear bumpers, a winch, and maybe some other stuff on there, but we'll see what we got going on here. All right, so the Jeep is all done, pulled out of the shop. This thing is looking good. total transformation on this. We did a rugged ridge front bumper on here with the rough country 9,500 pound winch. It also got a rough country 2.5 inch lift kit on here with some Ion 171s in all black wrapped in Toyo AT3 tires. And then on the rear here, we also did another rugged ridge rear bumper to complete the look on this thing. So like I said, total transformation. This thing is sweet, and I'm sure the customer is gonna absolutely love it. All right, and lastly, before we end out the video today, I got a couple different things that I wanna talk to you guys about. Coming up next week, we're gonna be announcing a new sale that we have going on through the end of this month. It's one that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. You definitely need to keep an eye out for this video posting early next week. Coming up in about 2 weeks from when this video posts, we've got the Toys for Tots annual car show that's on September 25th at the Nebraska Brewing Company. Reason why that's important, we're gonna give away a free set of fuel wheels. That's right, you heard it, a free set of fuel off-road wheels at the Toys for Tots car show at Nebraska Brewing Company, September 25th. And lastly, we're gonna try and put together a little vlog here. Last minute thing, Tyler's going to Lifted Truck Nationals. It's an event that we haven't actually ever been to ourselves, but we've always wanted to make it out there. So Tyler is heading out there a little last minute. We're gonna try and throw together a video of what goes on at Lifted Truck Nationals. So we'll catch you guys in next week's video.